Hello, so I bought a bunch of stuff on Vinted. Now, a lot of you keep asking me to do more unboxing videos. So I thought we would do an unboxing video of everything that arrived today that I bought on Vinted to resell. So we'll just start cracking stuff open. What I'm gonna do is I'll show you the item and then I will tell you what I paid for it and how much I should be able to get for it, so you guys have an idea. So the first pair we have are these Vaporflies, size 6.5, Nike Vaporfly 3. Honestly, loads of tread left on these. The color is still nice and Volt. Sorry, when I'm looking at my phone, it's because I'm trying to find what I paid for these. So on these, I think I paid £11.57 on these. They don't have the box, but yeah, loads of tread left on them. For a Vaporfly 3 in a 6.5, I should be able to get around £40 on them. So just under £30 profit. Now there are a lot of pairs here, so bear with me. I'm just going to keep opening them as we go. So we have got some React Visions in triple black. One thing to check on the React Visions is, I don't know if you guys can see, but can you see there's a little slit in the mesh, which I'll probably end up returning these ones because of that. It makes them a bit more difficult to sell. But these ones are a men's size 6. So let me put them there because they'll get returned. We did pay on them £9.99. To be fair, in that condition, I could probably still get 25 for them. So I probably will actually keep them. It's not worth returning. So yeah, we'll keep them. Still £15 profit on them. Then we have got here. These were cheap. That's all I remember. These are some sort of rose pink Air Max 270s. These are a women's colorway, size 7. These will clean up really well because it's just mesh. As you can see, they are a bit stained, but the profit comes from getting the condition good. And we paid £7.37 all in on those ones. I hope whoever asked for unboxing videos, you're enjoying this. We've got a lot of pairs to go through. Next up, I'm not sure about these. Look at that on the pane. Size 11.5, really good colorway. Overall good condition. It's just the paint's a little bit bad. They cost me £17.34. So I don't know. I feel like in that condition, I'll get 35 for them. Otherwise, you know, for an Air Max 90, that if it didn't have the paint damage, I'd probably get 45 for them. But yeah, unfortunately, it does devalue the shoe a little bit. Then we have got these Spezials. Really good seller Spezial. These ones are a size UK 5, but I'm going to say these are fake, you know. Don't know if you guys can tell on the Adidas text there. It's just not quite, a bit too round. And the size tag, I'll try and show you guys. But yeah, the size tag, the font on it as well. I think these ones are fake. So yeah, these are definitely fake. The text looks all wrong. But yeah, so that is first fake of the day. Those ones cost me £14.19. So those will get returned. That's absolutely fine, but they're definitely fake. But yeah, it's a shame on them. Then we have got a very, very good seller. These a very good seller. These are Pegasus Trail 3 Gortex, I believe. Size 7.5. Interesting colorway, but sometimes the interesting colorways sell really well. Loads of tread left on the bottoms. Barely need to be that cleaned. These ones cost me, they cost £11.04 all in. As you can see, the majority of the pairs I'm buying are sub £30 because of them. That doesn't help, does it? The margins are just really kind of good, basically. It's kind of just as simple as that. Okay, next up, we've got, this is probably the cheapest shoe I've bought from this haul. These are Zoomfly Nike Zoomfly 4s in a size. Is there a size tag in here? 10.5 UK, good colorway, literally just black and white. And if I remember correctly, they cost me £6 all in. I think the seller sold them for £2. £5.79 all in. It's just so cheap. But something like that. Oh, I didn't tell you, the Pegasus trails, sorry, these Pegasus trails should be able to get about 30 on them, and we paid £11, and then the Zoomfly about £25 to £30 on them. I'll probably sell them a little bit cheaper because I got them cheaper, so we'll just get them gone faster. Next up, probably the most popular in my opinion, like typical vintage reselling shoe, Air Max 95s, black, white and grey. Not the best condition, but they are a UK 9, loads of traction left. You could repaint that midsole very easily. Something that I personally don't do, as I can't be bothered, if I'm going to be honest with you, because I get so much stock in. But I reckon we paid about £15 to £20 on these, £16.29 all in. I'm going to get at least 35 for them, at the very least. So at least about £20 profit from these. Moving on to this packet. Another very good seller. The size is the only thing that is a bit worrying. These are a UK 9, I think. Yeah, UK 9. These are legit. Gazelle Bold. In small sizes, these fly. But I saw these really cheap come up on the Vinted monitor. And I think I paid under a tenner all in. £8.94 all in on them. Moving on. I hate when stuff is packaged like this just because of the tape. It's just so annoying. I haven't got the strength to break through tape like that. This might be the cheapest. This might be cheaper than the Zoomfly. I don't remember. It might be. Oh, I can't get them out. Let me see. These are Nike Epic React Flyknits, and they were cheap. That's all I remember. But I've sold a couple like this before. No, these are Infinity Reacts, not Epic Reacts. These were £8.42 all in. Should be able to get like at least 20 on them. So at least very minimum 100%. The very minimum. But once again, we want quick sellers, cheap quick sellers. Speaking of cheap quick sellers, I've sold a lot of these in my time. These are Pegasus Gortex 3s or 4s. Size 7, not the best size, but overall nice condition. Should get about 30 for them. But the question is, what did I pay? What did I pay? £11.04. So probably about £20 profit on them. Got a couple more now. We have got probably the quickest selling shoe. If you get the right colour, it's weird. Some colourways just fly. But these are size 10.5. Air Force 1 lows. Anything LVA, which means it has like the pull tab and like mini swoosh there. I think they're called LV8 Air Forces. Small heel hold, but a lot of people don't really care about that. Fully leather upper, so these will clean fine. And they weren't expensive. The question is, how cheap were they? I can't find it. Let me go down. Sorry, I buy a lot, so it's hard to find everything quick. Cannot find it. I'm going to predict I paid about a tenner on these. Sub £10, definitely sub £10. Have one last look. If I can't find it, we'll move on to the next. Oh, there we go. £8.94 for them. How many have we got left? We've got a box here. Oh, get out of here, buddy. Oh, these sell for me fast. Well, flying Air Force ones, really popular. Really popular. These ones are a size UK 7 in a good colorway, the Oreo colorway, black, white, and grey. And if I can find it, I reckon they cost me a tenner as well. Still looking. Give me a second. £11.04 all in. We have one more parcel here. You gotta respect it. Double boxed and double packed, but oh, this is a tape that pees me off, man. Everyone's favourite. Everyone's favourite. I think, if I remember, these cost under £20 all in. Good colourway, React Vision, black and grey, uppers are perfect. UK 10.5 as well. That is a money size in these. Yeah, good colourway, good size. All in price was £19.44 all in. So yeah, that is everything that arrived today that I bought on Vinted using the Vinted monitor. If you want to test out the Vinted monitor, of course, the code is in the description. £5 for your first month. I mean, as you can see, I'm going to make it back very quickly off all of this. And yeah, nice little quick video today. Not too much editing for me to do, but for the people that did ask for a Vinted unbox, excuse me, there you go. There you have it. One fake, unfortunately. They'll go back. But other than that, a bunch of really good sellers, all copped on the monitor and all arrived today. Lots of profit to be made. The only thing I've got to do now is sell them all, which is where all the work comes in. But yeah, feel free to test out the monitor. It's good fun reselling stuff like this because you don't have to work a real job, basically. Thanks for watching. For the people that requested it, there you go. Enjoy. And I'll see you for the next vid very soon. God bless.